G'day folks, Uncle Knackers here. Now look, last week I received a ton of comments on my boomerang video regarding the funky paint job and how I did it. So I've decided to show you how I achieved that look, but this time on an actual canvas. And just to make it a little more interesting, at the end of the video I'll put the finished up piece up for sale with all proceeds going to charity. So dig deep, because you never know, you may just be buying the next Blue Poles by Jackson Pollock. Just saying. Okay, to get this show on the road, you are going to need a few supplies. Starting off with a basic canvas, which you can pick up from places like Kmart for around $6 a pop, which is pretty good, but just make sure that the canvas is pre-primed, as that will help the paint to flow across the surface during the spinning process, and it also stops that beautiful paint from being sucked into the canvas. Now for spin art to work, you need to be able to attach a drill to the back of the canvas, which can be simply achieved by either screwing or nailing a board to the back of that canvas. Just make sure that the board is in the center of the frame to keep everything balanced during the spinning process. If you don't, you'll find that your drill will be wobbling all over the shop, making it very difficult to control. Now to attach the drill to the board, you can either just drill a hole through the board, insert a bolt, tighten with a flat washer spring washer combo, and you're good to go. Or you could get a bit fancier, like I have here, and attach a vertical furniture plate with a bolt screwed through the centre and then tighten down using a flat washer spring washer combo. And my advice, if you're planning on doing multiple canvases, is to go with the more secure vertical furniture plate option. Since we're talking about art, how do you get an arts major student off your doorstep? Pay for the pizza. Was that wrong? Very naughty, Shane. And inappropriate. Okay, with everything now set up, I think it's finally time to rock and roll. So for today's artwork, I want it to be bright and colourful, and as you can see, I think I've got that brief pretty well covered. Alrighty, come on, let's do this. Now I've got to say, this part is incredibly nerve-wracking, but also exciting at the same time, because you just don't know how this thing's going to finish up. So wish me luck, fingers crossed. Let's give it a crack. Bit of black. Oh, look at that. Don't be shy with it. Bit of orange. Who doesn't love a bit of orange? Oh, look at that colour. So vibrant. Now a bit more black, I reckon. There you go. And to finish it off, a few pink stripes, fluoro pink. Oh, beautiful colour. Alrighty, let's give her a spin. Woo-hoo-hoo. About ready to take off. Righto. Check that out. That is a work of art. Love it. Alrighty, version 1 turned out fantastic. Let's have a crack at version 2. Bit of yellow. Take off the cap. Hopefully I've got enough paint left. Oh, look at that. Hey? How good's that look? Now a dash of orange. Come on, work with me. Dash of black. Don't be too precious. Rip into it. Now some white. Ah, it's looking good. Look at that, cover it all up. That's it. Now some beautiful pink. Oh, got some left, that's good. Oh, she's running out. And I reckon a touch more black. And maybe a bit of orange. A bit more yellow. Righto, let's give it a go. Woo-wee. Okay, shut it down. Mate, that looks awesome. Which one do you like, version 1 or version 2? Let me know down below. Love it. Now, like all famous works of art, I think this one deserves a name. So I'm thinking about calling it maybe Psychedelic Spinorama. Sounds pretty catchy, or at least that's what ChatGPT told me to call it. Anyway, if you'd like to bid on this one-off, priceless piece of artwork with all proceeds going to charity, check out the description box down below where I'll leave all the relevant details. Could be yours. So what are you waiting for? Get involved, have some fun, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.